How to accept donations using Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create some donations and receive the donations as a product into the Hostinger store of yours. The process is going to be very simple and very easy. You're going basically to create a product in a form of a donation that you're going to find in the product adder. So it is going to be crucial to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see all the elements that you need. So here we have the dashboard. Now what we're going to do is to click on websites, click on websites list, and then we're going to manage the website that we have a store on. So how you can distinguish a website that we have a store on, it is going to be distinguished with this specific cart and also manage store label. You're going to click on manage store, and then you're going to see the store manager. Now, what we're going to do is first to make sure that we have at least the payment methods added. So we are going to click on settings, click on payments, and then you're going to head over here. So as you can see, if you have this specific banner or this specific log that will need for you to upgrade now, you need to upgrade because it is going to be crucial. So you're going to have here the specific payment method. Now, what we're going to do is to connect the payment method after we have upgraded, of course, one or two payment methods. Do not forget that PayPal is not going to be counted as a primary payment method, so it is going to be added if you are going to have Stripe or another payment method. It is going to be a second one. So when you finish setting up the payment methods, you're going to head over the product. Now, once you are going to be on the product section, click on add product. Now we are going to see the type of products that you can add to your website. You have here physical products, multiple products, digital products, and etc. But here you can go ahead and see that we have donations. Click donations for your campaign here. So we are going to create a donation. Do not forget to upload an image for the donation, or you can go ahead and set up another, for example, this one, or create with the AI a donation, let's say picture. So you can go ahead and put here a title for donation for maybe a campaign or a charity, let's say here, of, I don't know, here, charity for children, or I don't know, homeless and etc. Or you can go ahead and put it as charity. So you're going to get the description set up automatically, as you can see in here, or you can go ahead and put it as much as you want. So I'm not going to do that. And as you can see here, you're going to see that we have the donation. Here we have the price. So you can go ahead and start by putting the donation as $5. And then you are going to add the options. And for example, here we are going to put here more amount, or select maybe amount, for example, like that. And you're going to start adding the amounts like 10, here 15s, here we're going to put 20 and 25. We're going to click on save. Here we have added the amounts. And then what are we going to do is to manage the variance. Each one of these amounts are going to be changed. For example, this one is going to be 10, this 15, this 20, and this last one is going to be 25. We're going to have it as you can see in here, and then we are going basically to have it as it is. You can go ahead and click on save when you finish, and boom, here we have the charity added, or let's say the donation added in here. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.